Even bros Julius know wetin in eye see for him last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for me for that. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. Every Saturday for this Lagos, they marry one understanding girlfriend. And I can't settle for less, and then they do a Chevy. Can't settle for
M.O.P Laughing Star.
Me no one lost so. They suffer, they serious. My family members they here, they can't. I mean, man, so far full everywhere. Girls now, all those girls where they say Team Natural, I go ask what cream do you rub? You go say I don't rub anything. No. Now, I know the thing God do for now. To buy girls cream now, you guys be criminal. Bro, it's crazy. I'm always hot, my bro. Check my records, bro. You understand me now? Moscow boys. I don't spoil Moscow. Come back to Nigeria. Wanna go on a cool place. That's my guy, DJ Constant, ladies and gentlemen. Big boy. Baba girls too, they follow suffer this thing though. Girl go chop corn and pear, post them, come they say craving satisfied. You get another food. Show us spaghetti where you don't feel like a job. They craving satisfied. Everybody they go through a lot, Baba. Boy go suffer, collect a number, you don't go remember to call her again, bro. Everybody they move on. But girls say, well, correct girls do this Nigeria shabba, then few. Nigeria we get we no get work, we say I'm craving vacation. Now vacation you dey, you no get work. Where you won't go? No get work, you dey crave vacation. And boys go they dodge, they say, well, they find better girl with them train well. Now so my guy dodge, go date girl away. Now so now. If not before comedy, who be that our Nigerian keeper? I dey catch, Baba. The guy dodge, say they find better girl. Now so he go begin date Assemblies of God choir. The girl see Bill last week, say she won't buy Bible. You cannot run away from it. You know fit escape billing, bruh. Who be that? Bonus, calm down, bro. Why you not even supposed to date this area? You're supposed to just go outside. If find anybody carry they want thief, bro. But all these girls say, it go dead easy if comedians they laugh. They know even bros Julius know wetin in eye see for him last crack your ribs. So boy, they promise me. You see the way they do for me for that. Nothing about the beggar for hotel. Wanna come. This thing where this new governor they do, he good. I tell for GRO, he said he go buy my table. Nah, where then? Baba, I touch everybody, baby. So my advice to the girls, yeah, when I know they stress boys too much. As you there, you find girl, me and you know say you get more than 6 girlfriends for this Lagos. If you get problem, you won't buy iPhone 6. Add all your boyfriend them for one WhatsApp group. Introduce them to each other. After all, they don't catch you, now you open up. Mike meet Emeka meet Chinelo meet I'm your girlfriend. When they remember how you treat them, they don't go break. Then go contribute money, buy you iPhone 6. Now they stress one person. Bandwagon everywhere. Girl go want to birthday, go say you want to do charity. Come carry list of charity, give your boyfriend. Charity now your money you go use. Your boyfriend doesn't feel like to do charity. Now everybody want to do birthday for motherless babies home. Everybody mother. Do you know that currently now as I speak to you, motherless babies home get food, pass me and you get mother. Now here I will come clap. I want drink of my sponsor. Meridian Club Cream. Good for you. If you're ready to give follow my money for this period, Baba, I go use and drink tea. I go use bread. By the way, you guys, you have it on your table, right? How do you feel the taste? Good, right? I mean, that's it. Now my Oga personally, so if you want drop proposal, come through me. Well, I know where they disturb her. Guy, no. And boys go reform work. All these girls, they don't to chop our money. We need it again. Valentine just pass, all the boys, they gather money to spend for girls who don't spend Valentine. One guy carrying girl come out and interview the guy, can you help us for Valentine? He say, no, I don't believe in Valentine. No. I like Val, V-A-L. Mama do the Val when she like. But I go Portharcourt last week. Now I say, you don't take away we enjoy all this, our old life. Now I say, make I enter bus. Baba, you know, say, conductors for Portharcourt, then they crazy, so, and they know they stress them. Once you know where your change, as you reach your bus stop, one come down, then go just pair you with another person. So now you come down, they go say, you, give her 500, you give her 200. Now so last week for Portharcourt, they pair one pastor with runs girl, we get big nyash. See your pastor carry Bible, they follow runs girl for back. I want to explain to people saying I changed. I want to explain saying I changed the divine. I don't say if you want catch what your friend they do, if you really want to know what your friend they do, just borrow your phone. Do like I say you want search for something for browser. Check the last things when chat when search about, you go know in plan. Like if I collect this my guy phone now, I'm gonna check like cheap flights to Russia. You know saying they plan to go back. Collect this bro's phone now, check good venues in Lagos. You'll be like saying one do wedding. Collect this guy phone now, check. You'll see symptoms of ampiclos. You know saying don't carry. Bro, no. It's crazy. All these girls with the work. You know, say every Saturday for this Lagos, they marry one understanding girlfriend. And I can't settle for less, and then they do a Shebi. Can't settle for less. When I go cry, go bust me for my face. No, bro. No. And one thing I like about big men is this is my guy. Ladies and gentlemen, by the way, help me appreciate this man, Ike Leeds. Abemona, help me appreciate him. Get why? Then plenty, I go to do one. Jacob Dynasty, all this one, they really like healing. They just do. And try for me. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, nearly faint. I know say one thing with big men, if they annoy you, you know if you delete their number. Because they believe say they go still help you later. Bro, no, to be big man good on a swag. If they don't want to do that thing, no matter any hello sir when you type, they know they answer you. Good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sir. Good night, sir. Now once you enter their mind, they do. If you go see big man now, they're saying they sleep, you go say, Oga don't to work hard, you need rest. Once na poor man, they're saying they sleep, you say, this one never ready to make him for life. What think poor man do us? You will call big man phone like this 2 times, he ring, you know, pick. Say, no, Oga no, they like me, then they call him 3 times, so he call him this 2, leave him, go call you back when he need you. Call poor man, make no pick. He can come back and explain. Brother, I've been they charge my phone. You're not serious in this life. You know you don't get any reason to miss call. Poverty na bad thing. Poor people need even feel enjoy hotel. No sir, this big man they now. A guy kill it, just lodge. Or then Jacob Dynasty, just lodge. Just feel like to take drink, then go your call. 2 more wait, please. You just wake up, you say, you look mirror, need to shave. You go to the hotel, go shave 15,000 just to shave. Poor boy. As he wake up, even if you carry baby, once the girl say I'm thirsty, he dey trek go outside, go buy water. See, buy water, come back. Before they give the girl, they say, I think I'm feeling hungry. You go me security. I bet we have to get a restaurant around here. And you lodge. I don't know, bro. Poverty na create now. No. He say what? It's a big sin, my sister. Don't test them. Now why your voice loud? That's you.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.